Welcome to Retro Bikes Dublin's Shipment 8, due in early January 2021, so that is due in on the 8th of January, but with customs and so on, it'll take a few more weeks for that for us to unload and register and all that kind of thing, so probably due for February. But apart from that, you're going to be seeing about 50 motorcycles in these videos. Each one of them will go through the condition, mileage, price, that kind of thing, so you'll have a better idea of what to expect. We're then taking €250 deposits if you want to secure a particular bike. And do remember that the last brochure we sold up to 30 bikes before they even landed, so they do go high on demand, especially our 50s, 70s and 90s, that is, in Hondas. Remember to like, subscribe and comment down below on what you think of these videos. They do take a long time to create, so any of those is greatly appreciated. So that's it for now. So enjoy the next bike you're going to see. Enjoy the video. Okay, so now we're on to bike 14, which is pretty much a timepiece. Exceptional condition, nothing to make note of. It only has 4,790 kilometers, or 2,976 miles on the clock. So basically nothing. A brand new bike. It's a 1993 model. I will show you the mileage here now. So exceptional condition. You can even see by how clear everything is. Even the paint on the headlamps around is really good. 3-speed bike, but really hard got in this kind of condition. That's the left hand side now. I mean, a real timepiece. It's kind of exceptional that we can still get bikes like this brought over, but it's kind of guaranteed now that we're bringing over these bikes that are just a cut above the rest. When it comes to Honda C50 70s and 90s, it's really our bread and butter, and where we really show our prowess in sourcing bikes. And this is another example of that. Really low mileage bike in fantastic condition, the perfect combo for collectors or someone who just wants something that's really nice condition. As I do with my bikes, I just like to have things that are really good condition, a good example, original example of a motorcycle. But that's it for bike 14, and that is for our brochure, and you can now look on to the next video. Okay, that's for this video, this particular bike. If you have enjoyed the video, please do leave a like. Also comment and subscribe will be greatly appreciated. As well as that, if you do want to look at all the bikes, the brochure will be linked in the description. Just fill out that form and the brochure will be sent to you automatically. So that's really that for that video. All the other videos are linked there in the brochure or will be uploaded here on YouTube. So that's it for that video. Thank you for watching.